Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on use app offline on your Here We Go app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just swipe this list up here. Then all you have to do now. So you just come here to use app offline. Here you click in this sign. So then when you it's so you just you have to choose before download map here. I'm going to download the map, so I'm going to just click on this map here on Africa, or just I'm going to Europe here. Then I'm going to click this map here for example. So when it's going to download with you here, just go back, then you click on this, then it's going to turn on with you here. So it's going to turn on with you here, use app offline, when it's going to download down with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.